Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive into best trading view strategy. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to trade smarter on TradingView, start with trend following strategy. Combine moving average with MACD and volume to identify strong direction moves. Use the RSI or stochastic indicator to spot overbought or oversold condition for potential entries and exits. Another effective approach is the breakout trading. Watch key support and resistance level, confirm the volume spike and take position when the price break decisively. Pair this strategy with alert to never miss opportunities. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and comment which strategy you will try first. And that's it.